Boochi Tendere Ondari anyara guchikwa ikirane bosio beke bosio ase kyombeke korobotoki DCI asensemelia yogembo ogochiko niko gocha sekelia gotebekana buna ni gari gati antoli base getokorobekana kuri tukule Jumaine asaba sayo ba jensi egentanyara kubuli gwikirane bosio bekembekyo anyara ko rasobo ikirano igoro yokorobekana gwa kole kanteli tuko oli Jumaine unatokomanyigwa no mulikeito mirdeda mumanyi
magega yokorobekana gwekegoli gia jensi omo MCA Boochi Tendere Ondari uyo anene mono omanyire buna paradizo nigo achiko gwikirana bosibe kyombekyo botugi gose DCI imeyomo chibwo gembo asikele bagoteba buna niga kagire gusegeta okorobekana okukwaba aiga nigo aikirana nabawakiri baye no kolika oroboti
pursuant to summons issued by the DCI Ogembo on allegations that is inciting people to demonstrate against the finance bill. So we have asked the DCI to give us particulars, and he was saying it is a rumor which came from the intelligence quarters.
Kubwatekana nenkwana yaba wakili baye nigo batuguteire ale amangana yo nagoteba buna paradizo nigo abeire ase oborayege kegetambe naseigo tagusegetantsegi anene mono ase municipality yo abeire gakwegerera kemagenderero.
He has been a leader in the past for this particular municipality. He has been a councillor in the past, and he has been a member of the county assembly who cannot abate any issue of destruction of property, private property, public property, and in any way bringing an unrest to his dear township that he has been part and parcel in developing and building.
Sensemo ya paradiso ni gate babuna ayonsi nigo akolentwa asengenchu ya siasa chabo machoge chache asa mochirie omojumbe bwenseme yo Alpha Miruka aso kumobwaterania no korobekana okukwaba
kwamba hii maneno ya summons ni ya kisiasa, sio maneno ya makosa mtu amefanya. Ni siasa ambayo imeanza Boochi Tendere, na mimi ni bomachoge chache, na mimi ni kiongozi. Maneno ya watu kupewa milioni 2 iko kila mahali. Sio paradiso ndiye amekuja kusema watu wamepewa milioni 2.
Nonyena bonigo aragire ekiara aliagendretse gokorekana ase ofisi ya CDF aye bunge yo na kolia eira yogochia koenanira ase obwango.
Kwa hivyo nataka kusema kama paradiso, mimi yale maovu yote yanafanyika ndani ya CDF nitaanza kuyasema. Nimekuwa nikinyamaza kwa muda kwa sababu pesa ambayo mjumbe ako nayo sio yake.
Waigo nigo abolia omobunge gotiga komogosereria kebogima kubwatekana nechi ujumbe abeirega kumulikira bwango iga na waigo amoganirie gusaba abananchi amabera aso gwakira omoswada bwechibesa gose finance bill iyi abeirega koleta esosobe entindi asinsmense ya Kenya.
Mjumbe ile kitu anatakana kufanya sio kututishia kuniambia kwamba nitamuona. Ile kitu anatakana kufanya ni kukuja kwa hapa machoge aombe msamaha. Aseme nimefanya makosa kwa ajili ya kupiga kura yes. Hiyo ndio anatakana akuja afanye.
We've had cases where the MC has received threatening messages from a particular leader who has been telling him that if he wants to face him, let him face him.
Sonsinigo abawakiri baganiria ababisabu bateneretse obotuki gokora egasi abo bene no bwikiranu batalikora wa ase abana siasa.
To the general public, we call upon the investigative agencies or government agencies, independent agencies, to do their work diligently and not in any case be influenced or guided by a political class who want to influence and taint other political leaders.
Guripotelia egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ile taliane Mildred Momanyi.